In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Turo promo code, a great way to save money on your next vehicle rental with Turo. First, let's focus on where you can find official promotions directly from Turo. Begin by navigating to Turo's official promotions page. Here, you'll often find seasonal discounts or special offers for new users. It's one of the first places to look because Turo regularly updates this page with pertinent promo codes. Next, if you're new to Turo, you're in luck. Signing up as a new user usually entitles you to a welcome discount. This could mean receiving anywhere from $35 to $50 off your first rental. The key here is to make sure you register with a valid email address so that you can receive the discount code directly in your inbox. Now let's dive into using social media to your advantage. Following Turo on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can be quite beneficial. Turo occasionally shares exclusive promo codes on these channels. For instance, in the past, the code WIN35 was shared through their official Facebook page. So it's a smart move to keep an eye out for deals while scrolling through your favorite social media app. In addition to the direct methods, partner websites can be a treasure trove of discounts. Websites such as Capital One Shopping, Retail Me Not, or Honey may list various Turo promo codes from time to time. User-uploaded coupon codes like TURAM20, FGGHIIYR, and T58CDE can offer discounts ranging from 20% to as much as 40%. These sites can provide significant savings, so it pays to check them out before booking. If you haven't explored Turo's referral program, now's a good time. This program allows both you and the person who refers you to earn discounts on rentals. You can share your referral link or have someone send you theirs. This not only helps you, but also spreads the word about Turo, bringing benefits all around. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of signing up for Turo emails. Subscribers often receive exclusive promo codes sent directly to their inboxes. Make sure your email preferences are set to allow for marketing and promotional communications from Turo, ensuring you don't miss out on any special offers. By following these methods, you'll maximize your chances of finding a Turo promo code that suits your needs, whether it's through official channels, social media, partner websites, referrals, or email subscriptions. There are plenty of opportunities to score a deal. Safe travels and happy renting with Turo.